Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Let's begin. We can begin by simply checking if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can do that by going into the settings, scrolling down a little, and heading into display. In the display, you want to make sure that your auto brightness is enabled. As you can see, there is a difference between main screen and side screen, so we can click on that. But as you can see, we can't really change it on our secondary screen, so it will only apply to the main screen, as you can see. However, if it's still not working for whatever reason, I would just advise you to reboot your device. We can do that by expanding our control center, pressing the power icon and going into restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but it does really help. Whenever you restart your device, you're not only restarting your software, but also you're rebooting your hardware as well, including sensors that are responsible for detecting brightness levels around you. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.